So I have started recording. Let me share the slide, what we're going to discuss today. You can hear me clearly, right? Is my voice too? It's okay, right?
It's okay.
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 Yeah. So so that's we are going to discuss for today. I hope it will be less than 1 hour. So we have some introduction later on. Then about the forum, that's one of the channel we communicate officially. Then the test project, part of it I shared during the meeting in May last year, right? Then the venue layout, this is not the final, but just see where is our venue and how is the layout. Let me get this, otherwise I can't see all the screen. So I can see both my screen and also you, otherwise I can't see your response. Okay, so not everyone here today, but this actually is a list of our team here. Maybe I can log into the work skills. So that's basically all the expert. That is all the competitor. That is a skill.
Did you share your screen?
Maybe not. That's why you can't see it, right?
Cannot see.
Yeah.
Yes, now it's good.
Can see now, right? But this is a bit small. I don't know whether you can see it. Is it too small? Maybe I can log in. Maybe too small, right? Let me.
It's too small.
I can zoom in a bit more here. So that's basically. I think everyone can see. I'm not so sure because this is what I see. So we have Hilma is our chief expert. I think some of you know, but for the new expert, you may not. Then Sheng Wei, she's also English name is Amy. I don't know whether she's here. She said she wanted to join. She will be our workshop manager. She also at Lyon and helping for the competition, so also get familiar with the setup, right? So that's our workshop manager. I'll be working closely and together with the skill management team with her. I think she also got one assistant. I don't know who is assistant now. I may know it after the competition preparation week, which is next week. Colin is our skill advisor. That would be for me working closely with her more because that's for me to prepare the test project. Also from Festo team, Thomas. So she will advise us more on the test project, whether we follow the guide, whether we follow some of the different we teach, right? If you remember, next meeting we're going to explain a bit more on the occupational standard. So we need some guide we need to follow. And also in terms of the assessment for there's also some guide, right? How many should be recommended for the judgment? How much should be the measurement? Claudia, she will be our CCD, it's competition committee delegate. I think the last time our CCD from Taiwan, right? So this time is Claudia. Actually, I don't know her. So CCD is more helping during the competition to make sure the competition will run smoothly, and also to help, right? If there's any issues, CCD will help us to together to check, also to solve some of the issues during the competition. So that would be some of the key position for the competition, for the organization of the competition. Me, Qisan, right? I originally from China. So, but now I live in Singapore. So I was the expert for Singapore for quite a few rounds. From last round, I'm the skill competition manager, right? And this time also, right? So that's basically some of the skill positions. For the expert, right? We have
Leo, also Jens Hansen from Denmark is also our CCD, together with Claudia.
Oh, we have two CCD.
We have two, yes, yeah.
Okay, because this is the list what I can see from the World Skill International. I get it maybe about 1 week ago. I think you are right. I'm not so sure. Yeah, maybe two. I'm not so sure.
Jens wrote in the forum yesterday, or yesterday.
Okay. Yeah. So because CCD most of the time for the expert, you are not directly like interact with him or her, but sometimes they will drop by to check our competition, whether everything going on okay, right? So again, skill advisor, most of the time expert, you also don't see her or him because Colin will help more on the test project part. Actually, during the competition, she's not involved a lot. For the expert, we have right now have 13 experts, right? So before I go to expert, right? Ami, are you here? Let's see. So sure. Otherwise, she can say hello to us.
I think she's not there.
Yeah, maybe not.
No.
So for the expert, we should have 14, right? But now only 13 because 14 has been registered. We got 14 countries registered. All the experts and competitors here, except Colombia. I don't know what happened, but because they have registered, but now without expert and competitor yet. So officially, we should have 14 nations, but right now only 13. Okay, so Michaela from Austria, she the second time joined the competition. Do you want to say hello to to us? Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah. So then we have Fernando from Brazil. I think Fernando, you are first time joining us. Are you here?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah. Because the other round is I just suddenly forgot his name. Yeah. So is it every time you will change your expert, or you're not sure how do they change the expert, Fernando? Or you didn't get my question?
Adriano was the expert in
last round, right?
Yes,
in Lyon.
Adriano, yeah.
Is it he joined to another skill, or what happened? Do you know it or you don't? You're muted. Sorry, Fernanda, you're muted.
I don't speak English
Okay.
very well. Mas understand you. Adriano.
So you will have translator with you for the competition, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Fernanda, it's fine. I just want to to see what happened. Then Rui Hua from China. I think you're also the first time joining us. Oh, okay. You see, it's not expert anymore. Rui Hua, do you want to say hello to everyone?
Yeah,
Rui Hua.
hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from China.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Ke Ruihua. Yeah.
Okay, Ken. So I think Rui Hua, Dr. Wang has joined in quite a few times since 2019. Yeah. So now you take over his role.
Yeah.
Mr.
So,
Wang is retired. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
He's
Yes, yeah.
really he's still
Yeah, he retired.
But he retired. Yeah.
retired.
Yeah, he is 60 years old.
Oh, really? Okay. I
Yeah.
saw he's still very young. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Hilma will be our chief expert, and Hilma is our veteran since the start of the competition 2015, right? Actually, Hilma, before that, you have European, what is it? European Euroskill.
2013 in Leipzig, first time WorldSkills.
Yeah.
And then
But
2015 Sao Paulo, 2017 Abu Dhabi.
yeah, that time still our demonstration. After Abu Dhabi will become official skill.
Yes.
Okay, so expert, I mean, Hilma really our how to say, veteran expert. Okay. We have Zoltan from Hungary. I'm not so sure. Zoltan, are you here? Oh, just now. Sorry, I saw.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm here, and nice to see you. And it's a great pleasure to be as a part of such a good team as you. So it's very nice to be here today as well.
We had some communication with Hungary, right, Hilma? But I don't
Yes.
know whether Zoltan is inside the list. We got some communication from last year, right? Or even 1 year ago.
I think 2 years ago, yes. Yeah.
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 So Zoltan, you are not in the conversation list, right?
No, I'm new here.
Yeah, maybe that's your techno delegate. We got some communication. Yeah.
Mhm.
Rajat also our veteran from India. Rajat, are you here?
No, he's not there.
No, Rajat is not here. Okay. So we have Rajat. Rajat joined us since 2019.
Yeah.
Aquatronic, Iran, also not here, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think they don't select the expert right now. So,
You mean this one is not the, but this one is,
it's not his name.
oh, it's just anyhow key a
Yeah,
name. The expert haven't confirmed.
Yeah, I think so.
Aquatronic, is it the last time we are using the name?
We used the name in
2015.
2015, yeah.
Yeah, 2015. Okay, the expert haven't confirmed. How about their competitor? Let me see. Oh, competitor also not.
Yeah.
From Japan, Mizutani, right? I don't know whether I pronounce your name correctly. Yeah.
Yes, Mizutani.
Yeah. So Sama-san now joined the next round of competition, right? Maybe now.
No change.
Yeah.
Mr. Soma-san moved to WorldSkills Japan to be ensured that we will have a good competition in 2028.
2028. Yeah.
Aichi, yeah.
Aichi, yeah.
Oh, Sama-san is here. Yeah. Good. Welcome you join. So we have Yonji from Korea, also the second time joining for the competition. Yonji, you want to say hello to everyone?
Hello.
It's a
Hello.
bit hard, yeah. It's a bit hard to meet online because it's, you know, so but only when we come to Shanghai, then we got almost 2 weeks together. So we have we can have better relationship and friendship, because right now it's online, it's a bit hard, you know, to see each other. Okay, Namibia, right? Namibia. Dora, just now I see someone joining. Is it from Namibia? Oh no, from South Africa, right?
Namibia,
No.
Doris is not there, no.
Okay. So Chikong from Singapore, I think last round is his colleague. Now he's also the first time joining. Chikong, you want to say hello to everyone?
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Ji Kyung. You all can call me CK because I guess not everyone can pronounce correctly. Ji Kyung. CK is easier. Yeah, you are right, Dr. Liu. I replaced Mr. Zach Siu. He used to be with you all at Lyon. Yeah, but this round I take over. Very new to this competition. Only take care the Singapore World Skill. Yeah, so a lot of things to learn from everyone. And I think I keep in touch with Hilma also with regards to the training camp in Germany. Yep. Nice to see everyone. Hello.
Yeah.
Welcome.
I think this time we have more than half new expert. That's why we have this like regular meeting. So today is the first meeting we meet each other. We roughly have every month have one meeting. Number one, any new update. So I wanted to keep everyone known. And second will be we go through some of the standard assessment, past year's project. That's why to let everyone familiar. That's the whole purpose or the idea of this regular online meetings. So don't worry, right? So until the competition in September, we meet almost every month, right?
Sure. Thanks.
Yeah. So we have Ruth from South Africa, right? So Ruth is new in the international, but it's not new for the competition, right? Yeah, muted. Sorry, Ruth. Yeah. Yeah. So because I know Hilma got your South Africa competition 2023. You're also in the team.
Yes, I was there.
Yes.
Since 2019
Okay.
in Russia. I started attending in Russia.
You mean you went to Russia, but I don't remember
Yeah,
we
in
met.
Kazan. Yeah, but I was not an
Okay.
expert there.
I
only
remember
accompanied
we
my
met at
student.
Lyon, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Ruth was the national experts for training.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
good.
And I was together with Hilma in Namibia.
Yeah.
That will be 2023. From Zambia, Obi, are you here?
I think he's not there.
It's not, right? So did
No.
I miss anyone in the list here? Anyone? Did I? Yeah, sorry. Our most
Thomas.
important person, Thomas, right? Thomas will be with us. And Thomas also, he will be our test project designer. So he'll be responsible for most of the test project design will be prepared by him, and some will be prepared by me. We also have another member in the team, which is we call test project validator, because that one, after we prepare the test project, someone need to validate, to check. So he's Hamza, right? So he's not inside our team, but the test project will be verified by him. So you will see Thomas during the competition. He also one of the key person for the whole competitions.
Hello together. I'm
Yeah.
also the one of the oldest member of water technology, because I was from the beginning 2030 with Hilma together to create this competition. I work in every skills, but at the beginning more in the background, and now more in the front also, and in the background.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Thomas. So did I miss anyone in the list here?
No, I think so.
Okay.
No, no.
So that's
Can you
basically,
join?
Mustafa. Yes, he's from Germany. He want to come in. Are you in, Mustafa? Oh, yes, you are in now. So maybe let me quick introduce. Mustafa will be the workshop manager in Euroskill next year, right?
Yes.
Yes, next year.
So that's why he want to join our monthly discussion to understand the competition, so we can organize for the Euroskill. And I know you also the founder of one of the company related to water industries.
Exactly, yes. Thank you, Liana. And sorry for being late. I was in a doctor appointment with my wife. So thank you for being here today, and looking forward to work with you, and good luck for World Skills competition in Shanghai. And hopefully we will transfer the same knowledge to the World Skills competition, water skills for Düsseldorf.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So so that's we have 13, right? But actually the Iran still not appointed. Actually we have 12 confirmed. And if you look at our competitor, not all country has been confirmed. So those confirmed means you can see the name, right? We can only see Austria, right?
Yes.
Then Brazil, then Korea, Singapore. The rest are not having confirmed. The deadline should be, I can't remember exactly, should be about 3 months before the competition to confirm the competitor list. I can't remember exactly the date, right? So that's about our team, right? Let me come to the next slide. Yes, so the discussion forum. I'm not so sure. For the old expert, you should note discussion forum. For the new expert, you should receive regular communication published in this forum, okay, to your email. Depend on what email you are using, right? So maybe just let me log in now, right? Because the forum, the good thing is anything will be kept. So any discussion, any decision made will be inside the forum. Even in the future, when the archive is a record, right? And sometimes we may have some discussion, we may make some decision, in the future meeting, we may publish in the forum. Then that is our record. It's an official communication channel. I know most of the time we may also use WhatsApp because that would be easy, fast, and convenient. But in terms of the official communication channel, the forum is an official channel, right? Because that's, as I mentioned, is a record because it will be archived. So WhatsApp is not. So to see, just for the new expert, right? Let me log in. Are you still seeing my screen?
Yes.
So you just go to WorldSkill, you log in. I believe everyone should have your account, right? So once you log in, you can see under the members area, there's one called discussion forum, right here. So discussion forum, then just go to view discussion forum. It will lead you to another window. You will see our skills, all the item discussed, right? So we have the as per lead nomination, that's the latest introduction, right? That would be, I can see majority never go to read from here, but I'm not so sure whether you read in your email, because from here I can see only 2 read the introduction, and this one only 4 read, right? The rest looks like no one really read this one. And you also can write any question, right, in here, right? So that's, as I mentioned, the discussion forum. The good thing is, right, the good thing is they will keep recorded, right? So go to login, find the discussion forum, and some of the communication will be all on the forum. But as mentioned, because some I know you are using your personal email, and some like Gmail or other mail, then they will send to your email for any announcement. But it depends, you know, whether you check your email regularly. If not, then you miss out some of the communications, right? So that's about discussion forum.
So that means we can communicate with WhatsApp, but when we have an official result, or you have a question regarding the competition or something else, please do it on the forum.
Yes, because is this one, someone checked this also, you know, what's going international. So they will be all recorded, and as I mentioned, they will be after the competition, they will be archived. So it will be it's the official channel. Particularly, as I mentioned, some of the decision we made, we publish in this forum. We made, like example, I remember last round, right? We made some decision on the tools, right? Some of the tools, then we need to bring, or what we are not going to bring, then we will be published in the forum. Okay. So come to the next topic on the test project design. Is word too small? Can you see it? I hope you can.
Yes, we can. Yeah.
So this one is 2024, right? So 2024 competition task. We basically classify them in 4 categories, right? If you see an ID A and the B, C, and D, right? In a 4 big group. Then there's sub, right? For category A, we have A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Then for B, we have 3 tasks. Then for C, we have 2. Then C, we have 1. Then D, we have 3. That's for 2024. Okay. So for this year, so 2024, the overall mark, right, on the top. So for the part A is 17. So part A is more on the software and the magnetic card. So the overall mark is 17. I didn't go to break down into individual because this is for the last year. Anyone want to see details in terms of the marks, in terms of the marking scheme, even the test question, right? You can log into the WorldSkill website. You can download, right? You can check. So if you want, I can later on to demonstrate where to demonstrate where to download. But here, right, the part A 17 mark, then part B 33. You have 3 tasks. So why I go to like so details here? Because for the coming round 2026, some of the tasks, I would say majority will be still similar. Only some of the question will be changed. So the tasks still very similar, and the equipment, some also similar, only the question will change, right? Because we were not going to use back the same questions. But the task will be quite similar. That's why I explain quite slowly here now. Dora is here now. So for task C is pump and valve maintenance. So that is 1 task here. In Lyon, we make it in 4 hours, 1 session altogether. So that's why 20 mark. Then for Part D, we divide into 3 tasks, which is educate, part 1, educate, part 2, then the EDS water management system. That will be 30 mark. If I'm not wrong, it should be 10 mark each. Okay, so for the lab part, lab 1 on the clinical determination by titration, then lab 2 water quality analysis using spectrophotometer, and the lab 3 will be jar test, right? So I would say majority will be still the same for the Shanghai competition, right? For part A, then A1, A2, A3, A4, still the software, right? Then the A5 still magnetic card. So for the 2026, still I would say similar. So let's move on to the planned next round competition. So as I mentioned, for the proposed, remember here the proposed, so for 2026, okay, still 4 main group, right? Then A, B, C, and D. A will be on the software and the magnetic card. Then B will still be the lead work, C will be the pump and valve. Then D is still same, right? But this, we change it. So let me show you now. So the A1 to A4, as I mentioned, will be still the SIMBA software. For those who want to train your competitor, you can use 2020, 2022 and the 2024, the 2 competition, the past task to train it, right? I remember in May, right? We give all the software to everyone. So, but we have some new experts. So, Thomas, this one, is it possible to give them the link again to all the experts for the 2024, because they need to install the software, and the 2022, right? I remember you give the link, it's a link last time. Is it still valid?
It's not valid anymore, but I can give
Create
a new link.
New link, right?
But it was only for 2024 one of the tasks or two of the tasks.
Then
the moment.
2022, do we want to release, or we can? Some may have it, you know.
Yeah.
If
Double
some,
check it.
yeah, if some already have it, maybe to make it since already available to some of the experts, to some of the countries, maybe we just to let everyone to be available to everyone to just 2022 and 2024. I will follow up this one with you after the meetings.
Leo, may I ask if we can have a small online meeting for the new experts, how to deal with this software?
Yeah.
Is this possible?
Possible. But only the challenge is some expert like today. Today, how many not here? India is okay, right? He Rajat familiar. Then Iran not here. Then Zambia not here, right?
No, not yet.
Yeah. So we see how, right? Either we use a special meeting, or we can use the next round. The next round will be about 4 weeks later, second meeting. Because second meeting will talk about occupational standard. That don't take much time. I will make it shorter just to highlight the change we made. Then we can spend 30 minutes to talk about the software.
Thomas, I don't remember. There are some struggling things to install the software or not? No.
There is, yeah.
Not to install, it's to start.
To start, yeah. So it would be good if we can have a meeting for all experts.
Yeah, we will. But that one is only for 2022 and 2024 versions. So this year, we are still developing. So the format will be roughly similar, but the question process, of course, will be not the same. So magnetic card, right? For the new expert, or for those countries not familiar, what is it? This one need to buy the training package from Germany Water Associations. So I know some countries already have. For those you don't have, you can write to me, and Hilma will link you up to purchase from WSC Germany. I think the cost a few €100, not very expensive. So you can train on that. For the lab part, right? Lab 1 will be water quality analysis by titration. Okay, will be still the same. Then lab 2, water analysis will be spectrophotometer, will be still same. But last round, we are using the spectrophotometer to analyze phosphate and nitrate, right? So this round, we are still preparing the question, but maybe same, maybe different. Then the last will be lab 3, will be jar test, right? Still we are doing jar test. But for lab 1, will be more on the glassware. You don't need much of the equipment. But for lab 2, you will need a spectrophotometer. And in Germany and Lyon, 2024 and 2022, right? We are using the spectrophotometer from Hash. But for this round, we are using one made in China because they are sponsored from China, right? So if you want to train to use your own, like those, whether it's Hash or with other brand, I will leave it to you. But if you want to buy exactly the same we're going to use in Shanghai, you can write to me, then I will link up to the supplier. Okay. For jar test, again, for Lyon, we are using a mini because we couldn't get the real size we want. And for this round, we got one sponsor from China also, right? So it's the a few automatic button, right? Again, I'll leave it to you. So the concept is the same, only the equipment in terms of operation, there's some minor difference because the one we got sponsored from China, there's a few button is automatic, right? You press then the automatic buttons, right? Again, if you want, right, you can write to me. I will link up to you to the supplier. If you use your own, you can just use your own to train your competitor. So for the task C, right, pump and the valve maintenance, we again use back the same the pump station, right? So you can use that one to train. If you want to buy, right, you can write to me or Thomas. We let Festo to follow up for the price, right? So for D1 and D2, still educate, right? Part 1, part 2. So this one, I believe majority should have the system, majority. Even those like from Zambia, Namibia, I know that you have it, right? For the D1 and D2. So these three, right? These three. So this time we are using is wastewater treatment station, because in Lyon, we are using water management station, management system. So it's a bit different, right? If I show you the picture, so that will be the software, right? That's magnetic card. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay. Then that will be the, I just get a Google get a picture of the titration. That is the one for the spectrophotometer, right? Then that is the jar test, right? If you see there's some small controller to control this 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 6 beaker. So that's the jar test. Okay, that's the company. This one, the other company. Okay. So come to see, there's a pump station. I believe many of you should be familiar. So otherwise, if you don't have the system, if you don't want to buy, you have to decide how you want to train. So that's why I leave it to you. And that's with the educate. So that will be the the wastewater treatment station, right? That should be the system. So I will pause for a short while to see whether anyone have question. So just now I see one question from CK, right?
Yes, from me, correct.
Wait,
I
let me
I
see
can read out the question. Yeah,
Yeah.
Actually, I wanted to understand the Simba software 2026. Do we need to pay for it? If yes, how much? And who should we contact to get the
For
quotation?
2026, you
Yep.
can't have it. That's particularly prepared for the competition.
Okay.
There's no free. You can only
Okay.
try use 2022 or 2024.
Okay. I
You will
see.
never see the 2026. It's not a commercially available software yet. It's purely prepared by Festo for the competition.
Oh, I see. Okay. So
Yeah.
we will use the previous competition
Yes.
software just to let the competitor to train. And,
Yes.
and my colleague who download the file for 2024, she said she can't open it. And yeah, or maybe
Yeah. Okay. Maybe we run another session. Let Thomas to explain to us the software and installation and running. It's not very difficult. We will organize another session. Maybe the coming round or maybe in between.
Okay.
Let me finish the competition preparation week meeting in Shanghai next week first. After next week, let me arrange.
Thank you. Thank you.
That will be great.
Yeah. Any other question?
Yes, can we get the manuals from the spectrophotometer and the chart test?
Yes. Ami, is Ami here? Because I need her. Ami, are you here? Not, right? She's not. Never mind. Let me remember this one. Huh? Let me remember. I type here in case I forgot. So number one, a session of install Simba. Number two, menu of Spectral. And the jar test is sent to everyone. Okay, any other question?
Yes, we have a question.
Yeah.
We would like to ask about Simba. Is the program is it same as Leon's one?
The software will be similar, but the question, the interface, the process will be all different.
プロセスとかは違うって言ってますね。ソフトウェアは似てるけども、そのインターフェースはちょっと違う。
ちょっと使い方がすごくわからずに苦労しているんだけど、その辺のマニュアルとかはですね。
So that is can we get the manual before that? Because it is quite difficult to the.
Yes, remember 2024 we released the manual after the test project we prepared. Thomas, I think we can do the same, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that the manual for last time, it was in the download link also for the software. There is also written how to start the software and use it and install it.
くれるそうです。ダウンロードで。Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Ruth.
Yeah, I have two questions for you, Liu. The first one is about the magnetic cards. I wanted to know that do we have different types of magnetic cards, or the ones that we are having are the ones that are standards that are going to be used in the competition? That's the first question. And then the second one is about the spectrophotometer and the the jar test. I heard you saying that because now the sponsor is from China about those two. Are our competitors going to get a chance to practice on that? Because I heard you saying that some of the buttons can be or maybe automatic. Are our competitors going to get an exposure before the competition about those two? Or
So
is
the
it
first
all
que-
because
yeah.
because
So the
before
first
I
que- yeah. Carry on, sorry.
all right. Okay, no, I wanted to say because already we do have our own jar test. The only thing is that jar test, yes, machines. The only thing is that even if they practice with the ones that we currently having, are they going to have a chance to get an exposure on how to
Yeah.
operate those ones for the
So the first question, the magnetic card, right? There is two
Yes.
versions. There's one card bigger, the other card is smaller. There is some
Right.
difference. So the training, I believe we are using the big size one, but in terms of the content, they are the same, right, Huma?
Oh,
Yes, the magnetic cards are the same.
So I don't know which version you bought, because there's one card is smaller, like our plain card, right? The other one is a bit bigger. As I mentioned, the process, right? Sorry, the card, the content the same, in terms of the training the same, only the size, because I think the price a bit different also. Come to the second question, right? You will have about all the competitor will have about 2 to 3 hours familiarization in C-2, which is before competition. That's one. You are going to have some time to familiarize. So second possibility, I'm thinking, if you really cannot buy it, Huma, during your training camp, these two equipment will be ready for your training camp?
We tried to organize these two equipment, but I don't know if we can manage this because it's quite expensive.
Yeah.
And it's not so easy to bring it to Germany.
Yeah.
But I will check later with Thomas. Maybe we can find a solution, find a way.
Yeah. So because in April, right, you still have about 3 months time. If that Germany can purchase that two equipment, anyone going Germany for the training camp, probably they can see or to have some feel for the equipment. If Germany cannot get ready before the training camp, or if you are not going to Germany for the training camp, then the last chance will be the familiarization day, which is C-2. You have about 2 to 3 hours for all the session, but that's only the possibilities. But I will send out the manuals. Yeah, I will send out the manuals.
all right. Thank you. Thank you very much, Lynn.
Leo, do you met the company
next
week?
I already met them last year. I already see the equipment.
But will they be there next week?
I'm not so sure because one is in Shanghai. The company is in Shanghai. The other one is not in Shanghai because the other one last year he purposely fly to Shanghai to meet me. So I see the two equipment. I will give any update if after next week the meeting for these two, right? Because it's new to everyone, right? But this tool is new to everyone.
Yeah, maybe you can talk with them. Maybe they can make a better price because it's very expensive to buy these two equipment.
So I remember the jar test about 4,000 euro, right? Then the spectrophotometer, I forgot but yeah, let me check again on that, on the price. Okay, any other question? Okay, if not, sorry, Fernanda, yes. No more, right? Fernanda, just now raise your hand. Do you still have a question? Are you muted? Sorry.
She wrote it down.
Huh? Okay. Yeah, that's a link Mustafa just gave us to buy the magnetic card, right? So let me go back to my slide.
My question in the chat.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Do you still have a question or not? No more question, right, Fernanda?
Leo, she write regarding Fluid Lab, is it possible to purchase a temporary license? I have to check it if it's possible to get a temporary license.
You mean for the Simba?
Normally, you have to buy it.
Is it for the Simba?
No, for Fluid Lab.
No, Fluid Lab.
That's made
That's
for
one,
controlling
but without
EduKit
without equipment, you use the software. You cannot do anything because you are not controlling. You are not you cannot do anything with the software without the equipment. I don't recommend because you can't do anything. But anyway, so Thomas, just to check, I don't know that part. As I mentioned, even you got the software, you can't do anything because they are controlling all the equipment. So if no, let me get back to my slide. So that's about the menu, right? The venue is at National Exhibition and Convention Center. They call NECC, right? It's a very, very big, very huge area. So ours at the hall 3H, ours Q at 3H is inside one of the corner. If you see, we are beside mechatronics and real vehicle technology. So the area is 959 meters square, almost like 40% more than in Lyon, right? For those who are at Lyon, you know that's roughly the size. So this time about 40% more, roughly, right? So that's our area. In terms of the venue layout, they still plan at this moment. So it's similar as Lyon. So our expert room, our workshop storage room. This one is competitor room in the center, right? All this, right? Expert room here. Expert. I don't know whether you can see my mouse. Competitor room, workshop storage. Then this surrounding, right, along the perimeter is the station. We have planned 15 stations. Until the competitor has been confirmed, we may reduce the stations. Right now, we plan for 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? We have 15 stations at this moment. If I zoom into one. So there's some difference on the left and on the right, because if you see on the right of the screen, you have the what is it done? The crane, right? You have pump station. It's a bit too small for you, I think. And the drawing was not clear. So on this side is only the lab station, because some of the tasks we are doing the rotation, same as in Lyon, right? That will be at this moment our plan about venue layout. If any information or any update, I will let everyone know, right? That's about the venue. Any question up to here now?
Thank you, Leo. Excuse me, actually, I have to go for another meeting, but my colleague Yusuf, also for the deputy manager for Düsseldorf Water Skills, also will be there in the meeting. So it was nice to see everyone, and I'm thankful that the meeting is also recorded, so we'll have the chance to go over it again, and maybe if you share the presentation with us, so we'll be also updated with that.
Yeah.
Thank
okay.
you, Leo.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I will
See you.
share the video. I will put in the YouTube. Then anyone want to watch, you can watch after the meeting. So this is about the venue. Yeah, I think I will go to almost the last slide. So just you know, that's our team in 2022, the special edition at Stuttgart. Okay, or the next one will be our team in Lyon, right? The competitor, expert, and our supporting team. That's all, right? That's basically all my slides. As mentioned, I will take about 1 hour. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, I can share the slide. Right, I can share the slide. Okay, so basically that's all what I want to share for the first session. Before we close, any other last question you want to ask?
I just would like to inform all the experts about the training camp. So we organized the training camp from end of April 28th to 2nd of May in Germany, Stuttgart. So a lot of countries are already registered, but some countries not. So my question, Ruth, maybe South Africa?
Yeah, with us, we have not yet hosted our national competition. We're only going to have that March, the second week of March. Then after that, that's when we can register. Because isn't it, we need to have a competitor.
Okay, yeah.
March should be fine because the training camp in April. So that's by that time you already have your competitor. Yeah, that's fine. That's nice.
You have time for the visa process?
No, we wouldn't, unless if we could organize that. Maybe we could start with organize. You know, we can't organize because we don't know who the winner is. That's a challenge. But I'll talk to our technical delegate, Mr. Mr. Mike, to see how we're going to go about it.
Yeah.
But is it compulsory that I should attend with the candidate?
It would be perfect. If not, you can join as an expert.
Okay, no, I will discuss it with them. Yeah. I'll talk to Mem Malu about it and explain to them.
Also, China, I think China has also in March the final decision. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so if
Hi,
no question, yeah.
You got a question?
Yep.
Milk.
Based on expert Youngjae Lee, I heard that there will be some training session on how to deal with the skills using the piece of equipment. But when I heard Hilmar remarks, there are no available equipment in the German camp. So I just want to make sure that there will be a teaching session using the couple of equipments. I just want to know that a couple of equipments will be available or not.
Maybe just before Hilma the answer, right? I think the training camp will have all the equipment except the jar test and a spectrophotometer from China may or may not be ready by the training camp, right? So Hilma?
Yes, yeah. We try to organize the original equipment that we will use in Shanghai. We tried hard, but I don't know for 100%. But all the other equipment is available. So the pump station, we have 2 or 3 pump stations. We have EduKit, Simba software, EDS, all the other lab equipment, so we can train for Shanghai.
I'm sorry, what kind of equipment you're not 100% sure?
The spectrophotometer and the jar test. But we
Ah,
have
okay.
also the spectrophotometer and the jar test for from Lyon or for the other competitions. So we can train also the jar test and the spectrophotometer. But we will try to organize. I will check with Thomas. Yeah.
Okay, appreciate it.
Thomas. Yeah.
Okay. Any more question? If not, I will stop recording, right? So I will send out the slide and also the video link.
Okay.
Thomas,